Hi, my name is Carla. I'm a new patient of Dr. Tadros. I found out about her after researching for almost 4 years' time to find a solution to the residual damage I had from suffering from Bell's Palsy. I had Bell's Palsy for, I would say, maybe 4 to 5 months' time, and it gradually got better, but never totally went away. I then started experiencing synkinesis in my chin, where it's the dimpling of the chin. This whole side of my face, my eye wouldn't open all the way, and it felt very tight, almost like just my muscles were tight in my whole side of my face. At that point, I was going to acupuncture weekly, just to kind of get my face in a part where it would loosen up the muscle. It would relax the muscles a little bit. And it helped, but it was temporary, and I'd have to go back, but it never helped with what I actually looked like. So after 4 years' time and being hesitant to do anything to my face because I was just grateful to have it somewhat back to normal, I felt like I was ready to take that next step and find a plastic surgeon or anyone that dealt with facial paralysis, which then became another humongous challenge. I didn't want anybody, I heard about Botox treatments, but I didn't know enough about them. I wouldn't go to just anybody to do them, and as I searched on the internet, I saw Dr. Tadros' name come up and come up and come up again, and I said, you know what, I'm just gonna, bite the bullet. I'm gonna make a consultation appointment and see how it goes. I'll see how I feel after that. After meeting with her once, I was totally confident that she was able to help me with a problem that people I don't think really talk about enough, and because it's not maybe life-threatening and things like that, it's, well, okay, my face healed, it's a little bit better, but for people that suffer from it, I get choked up, but it's every day you look in the mirror and you don't look the same, and I am so grateful that I came here because it has totally changed my life after one treatment. Today I just came up for a touch-up, which is why I have holes all over my face. But I have less pain. I was experiencing pain in my jaw, in my chin, in my eye constantly. That's gone. I was twitching. When I smiled, I had the synkinesis in my chin. This eye, in any picture I took, any video with my children, this eye would stay almost closed, and this eye was very expressive and open, and I mean, it was uncomfortable. I was self-conscious. I didn't want to take pictures. I didn't want to take videos. I am an expressive person, and I stopped being expressive. I learned how to control it somewhat by just giving a little smile or but constantly aware of what my face was doing, and not being able to kind of feel free to express myself the way I usually did. And this, like I said, this is my follow-up treatment, and it was just a touch-up today, but my life in the last month has really changed. My confidence is back. I don't think people talk about this enough, and I don't think everybody makes a big deal about it, like, oh, it's just Bell's palsy and it can go away and there might be residual damage, but that residual damage could really take a toll on your confidence and on your self-esteem and psychologically, and there is a real answer to fix this. And I can't encourage people enough to find the right person. Like, I waited, and I really feel like I had 4 years in between, and I wish I did it earlier, but I don't wish I did it earlier if it wasn't with the right person. And I think I found that right person, and I couldn't be more pleased with the outcome. So I know I got a little emotional in the middle of it, but I think anybody that suffered from this understands all of those feelings. And there is a solution, and if I saw a video like this, I would feel so relieved that I had an option and that my face wasn't going to have to stay like that forever. So I hope this helps anyone that suffered from Bell's palsy, and good luck on your journey.